Lesson 2. Choosing your channel topic before you create your channel. You need a topic, something you enjoy talking about. Think about what you know, what you've lived through, or what you love doing. It could be cooking, crafts, gardening, storytelling, travel tips, senior fitness, technology for beginners, or even documenting your daily life. The best topic is one you can talk about comfortably, without stress. Don't worry about being an expert. You just need to be yourself. Write down 3 ideas, say them out loud, and choose the one that feels the most natural. That's your starting point. Now, let's combine those 2 ideas, passion and expertise. The sweet spot is where what you love intersects with what you know. But there's one more piece to this puzzle. Demand. Is there an audience for your topic? A quick way to check is to search for your ideas on YouTube. Are other creators making videos about it? Are those videos getting views and engagement? Don't be discouraged if you see competition. That's actually a good sign. It means people are interested. The key is to find your unique angle. How can you be different? Maybe you can be funnier, more in-depth, or approach the topic from a completely new perspective. So, to recap, start with your passion, leverage your expertise, and check for audience demand. Brainstorm a list of potential topics that hit all 3 of these points. In our next video, we'll dive into how to research these topics further and validate your channel idea. Make sure you subscribe so you don't miss it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.